Welcome to Inner Hiking. Looks like I've manifested some gifts here from my inner hikers. I have an attitude of gratitude because who doesn't like gifts? I do. So I'd like to share some that I got from some good friends. So let's see what we got here. This is from Mariah. She's been with Inner Hiking now for about a year, and she is an inner hiker. She's my inspiration. Check out what's in here. We're going to find out right now. See what she's made for us because she's a healer. We've got a bath ball. Definitely need one of those. It smells super yummy. I don't know what scent it is, but I wish we had smell-o-vision for that. Let's see what else we've got in here. We've got socks. Christmas socks. You know, I'm going to wear these in spring. I'm going to wear these now. So soft. So socks are the gift you can give anybody, right? It doesn't matter how old you are, what you like, what you don't. Everybody needs socks. And the cool thing is I have a pair of socks a girlfriend gave me, and I lost one of them. But they say love on them, so I kept one. And every time I see it in my sock drawer, I think of her and I think, she loves me. So anyway, try it. It's pretty amazing. Socks, something somebody uses every day, it's a pretty powerful gift. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's see what else we've got in the box. A tiny mason jar. Let's see what we've got. That's for you. Aoife, you can play with that. This is Refresh Pick Me Up tea, and it's got mint, tulsi, lemon, balm, nettle, red clover, raspberry leaf, lavender, milky oats, and violet. Our next move when we do our yoga and our tea, we're gonna have this one. Looks good. Let's see what else we've got. Another warm immunity tea. And this is ribose, chamomile, calendula, echinacea, which is, of course, the beautiful purple flower that you see. Well, echinacea is so amazing for keeping you healthy for your immune system. Ginger, sage, orange, peel, fennel, and marshmallow. Ginger is so amazing. Can't wait to have those. Little leopard bag. What's in the leopard bag? More divination fun. Let's see what we've got in here. Okay, we've got yellow is a motivational candle. And the pink candle, fuchsia pink, is for imagination. So imagination and motivation. And some Palo Santo. This smells amazing. I'm just so grateful. Thank you, my sister. I'll put this on my altar. And yay! I got some amazing cream. Amazing coconut infused gorgeous cream from Mariah last year. So this year I'm getting Ritual Salt Soaking. It comes with Epsom salts, baking soda, elderflower, rose petals, tulsi, white sage, eucalyptus, European clay, spirulina, rose hips, seed oil, calendula oil, lemongrass, calendula petals, and essential oils. Yummy! Look at that. Let's check it out. Oh, it's beautiful. It's blue. It's gorgeous. Oh, thank you so much, Mariah. Can't wait to have this salt bath. That's going to be fun. How wonderful. It's important for women to honor each other and support each other and treat us like the goddesses that we are, right? Right. And that gets me to my next gift that I got. So I have an altar that's up all year long. my altar is up 24/7 because I want to honor my elders. I want to honor my ancestors. I want to remember to pray for them and to ask for their help and their spirit as I move forward. So I received a gift because I won a contest. So I put my altar image of my altar with Tecumseh in it, and I won this amazing, beautiful, Bast body butter from Maat. And Maat is, and I'll show you who Maat is so you get it. Let's see if it'll come up. And that's Maat. It's not really showing up well on the screen. There we are. That's Maat. And she has an ostrich feather on her head. And Maat was both the goddess and the personification of truth and justice. Her ostrich feather represents truth. So how appropriate for me, being the Libra that I am definitely about justice and truth. If you know me, you know me. And you know that about me, that I love my sword of truth. So I've enjoyed this actually for a little bit now. It's so yummy! It's like, I don't know, you do feel like a goddess when you use it because it's just pretty darned amazing, I have to say. Pretty tasty. So I even took it to yoga and had people try it, and they loved it. I think the best place to use this is right in your drishti point, because there's your truth right there, right? And it smells wonderful. I actually like to put a little on my lips. Some people put it all over their body. I don't have the ability to do that right now because I don't want to run out. And I actually want to represent their product for Innerhiking because it's so yummy. So that's Maat, and that's the company is Maat Botanicals, and it's MATT botanicals.com if you're interested in some of the Bast body butter that I'm showing you right here. And this is to feed and nourish your skin, and Bast is the goddess of the cats, which, how appropriate for me, cat lady that I turned into. Right, Aoife? My cat next to me. So it's been amazing. Today I got 2 gifts. I got 3 today. So Mariah's, and then a good friend from Marin gave me an album for my radio show. Gary Alder, very proud of him. True inner hiker, right? Because Innerhiking is not giving up. And this is his album. I'm really impressed with his work and excited to listen to it and play it on my show. So thanks, Gary. I appreciate it. Keep up your Innerhiking. And then one of my very favorite people I want to honor with this next is Lisa Lincoln from San Francisco. Lisa fell in love with Innerhiking, and we would practice yoga and Innerhiking in San Francisco once a week when I lived in Marin, and it was super fun. Her attitude was so positive. So Lisa sent me a package, and let's see what's inside. So, a nice little note. Sisterhood, the Traveling Hats. Sisterhood of the Traveling Cats. Meow, meow, love you, inner hiker, from Lisa. So, last year I got an opportunity to stay in San Francisco with Lisa and some other friends, my other girlfriend Brandy and her family. And I wore this hat, you know, because I love hats and I love cats. So I wore this hat on the airplane going to San Francisco. And when I arrived in San Francisco and her son saw it, Zoran went ape crazy for my hat. He stood on a chair and played with this hat for hours. And I am so glad I got it back because I really love it. So anyway, thank you for the cat hat back, Lisa. I love you. And a heart from Lisa because she loves me. How appropriate. Notice the theme here. I see a theme. And let's see what else we have here. Beautiful sisters share their clothes. So I know this. She busted this outfit out and wore it like a hot dog that she is, looking cute as can be. And then now she wants me to look cute, so I gotta wear it. So here we've got a San Francisco Giants colored sweater. Nice bright orange for me. And we've got the cutest skirt to go with it. Hello. And, ooh, a sexy little top to wear under it. A little cami. So a cami, a sweater. And I get to know that I'm wearing some special clothes from my girlfriend. I love it. It's like sometimes my other girlfriend, Carolyn, I'd give her my old clothes when I get new stuff, you know. And then when you see your old friend and you see the clothes that you always wore, but you see it on them, it kind of makes you take a second look and you're like, wait a second. Oh, yeah, that's where I've seen that before. And it's nice to see it again on your friends. So I say it's a cool way to do it. I mean, you can go ahead and go to Goodwill, but it's nice to give your friends stuff. And then she's just reminding me how far I've come. This is where I used to live when I started Innerhiking in Nevada. Just a note I'd sent her. She's reminding me of the beauty of San Francisco by giving me Sisters, Strange and Shattered Worlds, the choreography rock opera. Like, she must have gone to it. It looks so killer. It was in May of last year in San Francisco. So I just love it. It makes me feel like I'm still there, so it's so sweet. And then she gave me my Nevada Museum guide because I actually I got to serve on the board at the Museum of the American Indian in Nevada, the Miwok Park, the Miwok Indians. I learned so much there. There's some wonderful people. So it's nice to be reminded of the things through this gift box. It's so special. And then that is when I first met her, I wrote stuff on a little beautiful ribbon, and she's just reminding me. And then the last thing that she gave me that's at the very bottom of the box, and you might not even see it. You might just like push the box away and go, okay, thanks so much, I'm done, I got it. But no, look what she gave me. Visit Jenny. Isn't that sweet? So maybe I'll visit soon. I don't know, or maybe she'll visit me. But the options are open, and it's nice when you have homes in many places. And when you have sisters and Innerhiking sisters, you're solid. You always have a place to go. You always have a place to be. So thank you so much. I think those are all the gifts I've gotten today anyway. I'm so lucky and grateful. So grateful. So grateful. So thanks for joining me for the Innerhiking unboxing, and we wish you a beautiful manifestation to all that you desire. Namaste. Want to say bye? You do? Well, come over here. Come here and say goodbye. You do want to say hi, don't you? Come here. Look. You don't? This is E. This is EE. All right. What a good girl. All right. Bye, everybody.